Hello everybody, I'm Jeremy and I ordered distribution boxes in E-Abel company and they told me their quality is similar with Writer company. So I'm about to go to the factory to see the manufacturing processes. So come on. Come over here to see my order. Now they are processing it. Here is the punching machine. This machine is imported from Italy. The machine has finished punching the code sheet to my order designs. Now they use the polishing equipment to straightening and smoothening the punched areas. This stage, the copper stud is being welded on the box body. This copper stud. The copper stud is for the earth wire and not easy to be removed. Here is a bended area where the water passes through. Now the quality check officer is inspecting the box. He's checking if the measurement on the drawing is same on the box. He's also checking the top to see if it matches with the box body.
Now he's recording everything to make sure it's in order. Oh, everything looks fine and okay. I feel relieved.
Here is the seamless corner. The door is being put on the seamless corner to give it the seamless shape on the edges. Here is how it looks at first. Then after the seamless corner, it looks smooth, nice curve with no welding. And here is the butt welding. The stiffeners are being welded on the door. This makes the door more stronger and not be shaky. The automated machine is doing the full welding. The full welding makes the box more stronger and neat. After the automated welding, the control officer checks for leakage welding, visual welding. He also measures the length, width, depth of the box. Now he measures the 90 degrees of the box. He records the quality inspection results. Now the control officer is checking the pH of the solution to confirm the value. This is acid pickling. The first step is to put the code sheet in the alkaline solution. The box and its components are washed in 8 pools with different chemicals to wash off oil and remove metal particles.
Let's see how it looks. Now looks very neat and clean.
After acid pickling, the box will also be polished to remove sand or dust from the box. The worker is applying the polyester powder coating to the box now. After the powder spraying, they are taken together. Push them to the oven where it's been heated to allow the powder coating to fit well. The quality check officer is checking the temperature and air pressure to ensure the normal operation of the equipment. Everything feels nice. The PU foam gasket feels soft and elastic. It will also last long. The control officer is now doing some inspection. She's strict to make sure the quality of the products are great. I can see this company's quality is reliable.